Now we will see what is a surd. Surd is the irrational number. Say the surds are the irrational numbers which are roots of positive integers and the value of the roots cannot be determined. Surds have infinite non-recurring decimals. To understand this, let us consider the examples, namely root 2, root 5, cube root of 17, which are square roots of cube root of or the nth root of any positive integer. So in this case, it is satisfying the condition they are the irrational numbers which are the roots of positive integers. They are called surds. For example, each of the quantities root 3, cube root of 7, fourth root of 19, etc. is a surd. Similarly, the combination of rational plus irrational number is also a surd. For example, 2 plus root 2 is a surd. 5 plus root 5 is also a surd. Now we will see some kind of examples of surds next video.